United Kuki Defence Army. I request the Chairman UKDA and the GS UKDA to kindly come on the dais. Thank you, Chairman and GSKRA Lalse Gaunte to please come on the dais and please sign the MoS with the Government of Assam and the Kuki Revolutionary Army. The representatives of the KRA, Thank you, Chairman KRA and GSKRA. Now I request President KLO Kele, Haimenta Khanyu, and GSKLO Kele, Haulam Lumkin to please come on the stage and sign. President KLO Kele and GSKLO Kele, please come on the dais. Thank you, President Kele, GS Kele. With this, we have taken the signatures of all the 3 Kuki groups in the MoS between the Government of Assam and the Kuki groups. Now I request the Minister, all the 6. Chairman UKDA, GS UKDA, Chairman KRA, GS KRA, President Kele, GS Kele. The signatories are requested to submit the signed copy to the Honorable Minister, Sri Ranoj Pegu. Sir. There will be 2 copies, 1 copy for each group and an office copy. There will be in total 4 copies.